Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video I'm gonna show different beautiful and unique pebble home decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and unique and I hope you like it. You guys know we can share different pebble home decoration ideas. Pebble are for family, for kids, for animal, but in this video I'm gonna show different unique and stylish pebble garden home decoration ideas, garden decoration, home decoration and etc. It is very beautiful and unique garden. It is very amazing and unique vast pebble home decoration ideas and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon viewers, and please share your friends and family members and don't forget my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.